Forgot your Pipedrive password and can't log in? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to reset it and get back to work. We'll start by opening Pipedrive, then click your profile icon and follow the password reset steps. Let's go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up Pipedrive in your browser. Just head over to the website and log in. Well, or try to log in. If you're already stuck at the login screen, that's fine. We're going to walk through the entire process from inside your account settings. Now, once you're in, look up at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small circle with your initials or maybe your profile picture. That's your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, find the option that says Password and Login. Give that a click. Now, this is where we need just a little bit of patience. The password and login page might take a moment to load. Just wait for it to fully appear on your screen. Once it loads, you'll see a section called Manage Your Password. It's usually the first thing you see on this page. Take a second to look over your current login method. This just shows you how you're signing into Pipedrive right now, whether that's with an email and password or maybe through a Google account. And here's the really important part. Right there in that Manage Your Password section, you'll spot a link or a button that says Reset Password. Click on that. Again, give it a moment. A new page or a pop-up window will open specifically for resetting your password. This might take a few seconds to load. Once it's open, just follow the on-screen instructions. Pipedrive will walk you through it step by step. Usually, it'll send a verification code to your email address. Go check your inbox, grab that code, and enter it where it asks. Now, if you're prompted to enter a new password, this is where you get to make the decision. Pick something strong that you'll actually remember. I always suggest using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and maybe a special character. You'll then need to confirm your new password. Type it in a second time in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. Go ahead and complete the password reset process. There should be a button that says something like Save Changes or Update Password. Click that. Pipedrive will likely redirect you back to the login screen automatically. This is normal. Just go ahead and sign in with your email address and your brand new password. And that's it. You should now be back in your Pipedrive account. I'd recommend doing a quick test logout and log back in just to verify that everything is working smoothly. In my experience, this extra step saves you from getting locked out again later. Your Pipedrive CRM password is now updated and ready to go for all your future sign-ins. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.